Hello everyone, this is Vijayalata Uruganti, with 18 years of techno-commercial experience, primarily in the field of strategic partnerships, product marketing, business development and pre-sales. The reason why I want to get into the product roles is because it gives me an ability to drive high impact solutions, which can also shape up the products, because I feel the expertise that I carry in the field of technology, in the field of business, and as well as strategic insight, this could be a great blend of all of this so that I can create impactful market solutions. What I actually like about the IPL program is the first one is in terms of hands-on learning experience, especially the product lab idea, which actually makes you feel as if you're working on a startup idea. Second is industry product practitioners whose sessions are really incredible with the hands-on industry product experience that they get onto the sessions, which we learn from. And third is IPL vast alumni network, which I'm sure definitely would help in terms of fulfilling your aspirations in product space. At IPL, the most enjoyable things that I have or I experience is especially the case studies where we work upon, where you get different perspectives from our peers, from peers in the class. This actually elevates your thought process, helps you to think in a different direction. Second is in terms of the environment itself from the class, where you get to learn from your peers in the most enjoyable way, so that you keep that inspiration of coming to the class again and again. Third is definitely, undoubtedly, the one-to-one mentorship that you get, especially to say from Sai sir, Pinke sir and Ray sir, which actually I feel it's helping me to near to my aspirations. If you're planning to be an aspiring product leader or want to create a niche for yourself in product space, in corporate setup, or you want to be an entrepreneur for that matter, and you're looking for a program which is primarily focused on product or various aspects of product, whether it's marketing, strategy or build-up, then I feel this is a program which is completely and solely dedicated to product space. Unlike any other management or exec programs where you have the culmination of various subjects like your management, leadership, business management, etc. But that is the primary reason why I opted for it. And someone who's looking something to carve out a niche for yourself in product space, this is a program that I strongly recommend.